wide, smile on his face, righty. And he is with a very proud young man.
Yes.
Take it away.
Yes, I was going to say, Myles, listen, I've got to say, when the first time I saw you at AL end, playing in midfield, now you're playing left back and playing for Arsenal in the North London derby, what was that like? Because I saw you like whooping up the crowd at the end when you was coming. What was it like?
Well, it was amazing, man. It's everything that I lived up to in my dreams. Well, I couldn't believe it. I had to take in every moment of every second of the game. So honestly, it was amazing, honestly.
In respects of like the game itself and you getting used to the game, because I know that Mikel started, he's giving you 60 minutes, 90 minutes. You're training with the guys obviously all the time. How does it feel physically for you? How are you feeling about when you got the 60 minutes, 6 minutes, then the 90? How'd you feel?
Well, at first, obviously, it's hard getting used to it, but I feel like my body's adjusting now, and I feel great, you know. I just want to carry on doing it.
So what was it? Was it like playing against Tottenham when it really matters? Because going into this game, Myles, I don't know what it was like in the dressing room in respect to, but there's a certain amount of pressure, especially with Liverpool drawing, Arsenal having to win their home games, and it's against the North London rivals like Tottenham. You're coming in as an 18-year-old. How are you feeling about the whole pressure and everything what's going on in that respect?
Well, as a team, you know, we feel pressure, but this is what we live for. Moments like this we live for. It's a derby, and we need to win, and that's what we did today. So, how's
the morale in it? Because like people talking about the missed chances and missing out and trying to catch Liverpool and trying to win the league and obviously going out the cup. What's the morale like? Is everybody still up and pumped up? Everybody still belief?
Well, obviously, after a loss, we're down, but obviously our culture and our team is amazing. We're all together. We all stick with each other. We all have full belief in each other's talents and their mindset. So, yeah, obviously you want to bounce back, and no better way to do it than today. So
tell me about how your body's feeling, because you're now playing proper first team football, what you dreamed about, what you wanted to dream about.
Yeah.
How's it feeling? Tell me how your body is.
I feel amazing.
You feel tough, you feel strong, bro.
I feel like $1 million, you know, so yeah.
Is it everything you expected it to be? What's happening right now?
Yeah, everything and more, you know. Honestly. Everything and more, honestly, yeah. So.
Yeah, hang on a minute, let's show you this clip. I think they got this clip. Where's the clip? Show us the clip of him. Because look at what you smiled. What happened just now? Something just happened with you and was it Bergvall?
Yeah.
How's you feeling now?
Just happy, you know, just taking it in, soaking it in. Yes, sir. This is amazing, man.
Yeah. But at that time, obviously we hadn't finished the game yet, but you looked like you was properly buzzed up. Who's here? Was it your mum here? Your dad?
My mum, my grandma, my friends.
Your grandma's here?
Yeah, I had to put on a show for my grandma, make sure that I didn't look soft in front of her. I had to make sure I was milling my tackles for her, and hopefully she's proud of me, so yeah.
We're all proud of you. We're all proud of you. Just before you go, though, I wanted to say to you, was there, with your Brennan Johnson, could have said them guys, was there any of them like the physicality you was feeling, oh my gosh, I'm going to be afraid of him, or he's going to be this? Nothing?
Never afraid of no one.
Wow.
I want to go against the best, I want to be the best, so you have to go against the best.
To be the best.
Exactly.
Nice, son, Myles. Well, all the best, man.
Thank you
I wish
so
you all the
much,
best.
Ian. Thank you.
Take it easy, yeah? Steve, back to Steve. Let me see me and my guy just shoot off.